Clip, let's talk about the ingredients for making Morning Glory muffins. Now, what you will notice is that we just finished making the best ever banana muffins. We have a few more ingredients than the banana muffins, and not all of these ingredients you might not actually have in your kitchen. So you might have to make a grocery list and go to the grocery store and buy a few things. Some things you will have on hand, others are very popular during the holiday season. For instance, you will need some oil, salad oil. In this case, I'm using Mazola corn oil. You want white sugar, all-purpose flour, salt, raisins. You want some baking soda, cinnamon, pure vanilla, 3 eggs, some fresh carrots, which we're going to ground up a little later on, an apple, a baking apple preferably, and then you may not have this on hand. Coconut, you can, or if you don't like coconut, you can leave it out of the recipe, and also pecan pieces. You can get pecans or pecans, however you like to pronounce it, and you can chop them up yourself. You can also, in this case, these are already chopped up into small pieces. So depending on what you can get at the grocery store, either or is fine, and we'll talk about that in the upcoming clips.